Hello everyone. This lecture primarily focuses on activity and its life cycle. As you have already known that there are four components of Android application development. They are respectively activity, services, content provider and broadcast receiver. In last lecture, we have seen the definition of an activity. It is simply a single user interface or user screen through which user can communicate with application. Whenever you are using any type of application, for example WhatsApp, email, any chat application, you are starting with a new activity window. Now, a single application may consist of multiple different activity window and you are navigating through application using this activity window. Activity goes through the different stages in their life cycle. The activity class in Java provides the number of callback methods that allows the activity to know the state has changed. In general, activity lifecycle has 7 callback methods: on create, on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, on restart, on destroy. So let us have a look on flowchart of an activity lifecycle. First time, when you are going to start any type of application, it is not in RAM memory. So as soon as when you are going to click on any application, it starts an activity. At that time, the 3 callback methods are called. The first, it will call on create method. That is, you are going to create an activity. Once the activity is created, it will call on start method, because now we have to start the activity, and after that it will call on resume method. Now when it will call on resume method, the activity is launching on your Windows screen, mobile screen, and user can navigate or communicate with your application. All these 3 methods can call one after the another automatically. There is no any user interaction between the activity and in your application. Now, if you want to do another work, or if you want to start with another an application, you may press the home button, or you are minimizing the app. At that time, the activity is still running in RAM memory, so that for it call next 2 methods. First, it will pause the activity by calling the onPause method, and then stopping the activity by calling the onStop method. Next, if you want to again start your activity, it will call the onStart method, and after onStart method, onRestart method, again it will call the onStop, onResume method. So you are again going to contact or communicate with your previous application or through that particular window. Now, if you want to close the application, first the activity get paused by calling the pause method, then it will be stopped by calling onStop method, and finally the application activity is closed by calling the onDestroy method. When onDestroy method is called, the activity is shut down permanently and your RAM memory free from that particular activity. So this is all about the activity lifecycle. Now just revise the thing. There are 7 different callback methods provided by the activity class. First, on create. In this state, the activity is going to be created. On start method is called when the activity becomes visible to user, and on resume method is called when the activity window is in foreground and the user can interact with it. If you want to start with another one activity, the onPause method partially obscured by another activity and your activity is in semi-transparent mode. OnStop method called when you completely hide that particular activity, and in that case the activity is not visible to user. When it calls the onRestart method, the activity either come back to interact with the user or activity is finished running and goes away. If the activity comes back, the system invokes onRestart method, then onStart method, and again onResume method. At the time of onDestroy method, the activity is destroyed and it is removed from the memory. Thank you.